Hi there, students. In this video I wanted to look at a phrasal noun. I don't think the phrasal verb really exists, so a dust-up. So I would write this hyphenated to show that it's a noun, a dust-up, although it could be one word as well as a phrasal noun. A dust-up is an argument, a fight, a dispute, a row. So there was a dust-up between him and his wife when he arrived late. Yeah, a quarrel, a wrangle, a row, a difference of opinion, a dispute, a conflict. Yeah, there was a dust-up between the tennis player and the referee. You've got to be joking, the ball was in. And then the dust-up started. Now, with a dust-up, it's not clear if they're just shouting at each other and angry with each other, or they actually get to fisticuffs. They actually get to duking it out, to fighting. And both can happen. The phrase a dust-up, it doesn't say which one of these is. So there was a dust-up, a dust-up. This is a phrasal noun. Yeah, there was a dust-up about a parking space. Yeah, there was a dust-up between the drivers about who had been waiting for this parking space. Yeah, it's a fight or a quarrel. So he had a dust-up with Susan. Yeah, they fought about something. They argued. They had a row. Yeah, they had a disagreement. Yeah, it was a bit of conflict. Yeah, he had a dust-up with a guy in the pub, and he came home with a black eye after this dust-up with the bloke in the pub. Yeah, maybe there was a dust-up between the government and Google about people's privacy. Yeah, so a dust-up. There was a dust-up within the Republican Party about what had happened. Yeah, there was a dust-up about what they were going to do. So now that the chairman has resigned, there's going to be a dust-up about who actually takes his place. So, a dust-up, it can be either a quarrel, a fight, an argument, but a verbal one. Yeah, or to attack somebody. Yeah, to assault somebody. Yeah, so there was a dust-up. There was a difference of opinion between them, and then there was a dust-up in to which the police were called, and they were both arrested. Yeah, a commotion. Yeah, but you're going to have to define whether they actually fought or not. But notice you can use this metaphorically as well. Yeah. Okay, so. There was I had a dust-up with the hotel manager, and he told us to leave the hotel and never come back. Okay, what about a phrasal verb, to dust up? Well, in my opinion, I've never heard this used as a phrasal verb, but some of the dictionaries say to dust up, two words, to attack, to physically attack, to beat somebody up. To beat up, yes. To dust somebody over, maybe, but no. To me, to dust up is has a different meaning. If you dust something up, you improve it. So I need to dust up my English. I need to make my English better. I need to take it and wipe the dust off it to make it look good. Yeah, my CV is getting very old, and I need to dust it up, to take the dust off, to make it look better. Yeah, so dust up as a phrasal verb, yes. To make something look better. Maybe you could dust it down as well. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A Dustup, with a hyphen or as one word, a phrasal noun.